Hey there everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to send a PDF as a link. So let's get started. First of all, let's just open up our Gmail by searching the gmail.com on the Google. Just search it up and go to and sign in your Gmail. Afterwards, you will find Google Apps right upper side. Just tap on the Google Apps, and from here you need to go to the Drive. All right, then click on the My Drive option and then click on the New option, then tap on the File Upload. Now you need to select the PDF that you want to send. So let's just select this up and it will take some time to upload, and as you can see we have successfully uploaded the PDF file. Then tap right click on it and you will see some options, but you need to go to the tap on the share option, then go to again the share option. All right, now as you can see you have general access option right over here. From here you will see restricted, but you need to tap on the restricted and tap on anyone with the link. You need to select this option, otherwise the link doesn't work at all. So you need to select this up and then copy the link. All right, then go to your Gmail, then tap on the compose and let's just send it up. Okay, then subject, now you need to right click on your mouse and paste it up. And as you can see we have the link right over here and it is absolutely working. So that's how you can send a PDF as a link. So thank you so much guys for watching.